Hi, my name is Neche, just Neche. So, we'll be making this quick and easy 5 minute hairstyle. Literally took about 5 minutes to make this hairstyle. So, this is my hair. It's been freshly washed and I'm combing it out. So, I use this edge control to hold it down in place. This edge control is literally a lifesaver. Like a little of it can go a long way in holding my hair down in place. And I don't like using a lot of gel or edge control on my hair. So this goes a long way whenever I want to make my hair up, maybe in an updo, a gel up, or any style of my choice. And then I use my brush to brush it down. There are some people that normally tie their hair up before they apply the edge control, but I feel like this method is way easier and I think it works better for me. And then I tie it down with thread. That's sewing thread used in sewing. I feel like it holds it down more. And then this is my holding spray. I use it for extra touch up. This actually helps the hair, the gel up, last longer, but you can skip this if you don't have it or if you don't want. And now I use my kinky extension. This is 4 strands. I don't know what it's called actually, but I got 4 pieces of it or stripes or whatever. And if you want yours to be bigger, if you want your bun to be bigger, you can get more. If you want it to be smaller, you can use a little. So just do what works for you. And then I use my rubber band to tie it in place. I'm sorry, I didn't know I wasn't filming this. And then I wrapped it around my hair as tightly as possible so that it wouldn't maybe loosen up during the day or when I'm out or anything. So and this is how it's looking. I have to twist it round to make a bun. I brought out a piece of the hair to tighten it in place, but at the end of the process I thought that it wouldn't have made any difference even if I did bring out the piece of hair that I did. I don't know if it's a piece of whatever it is. So if I want to make it secure, I would have used maybe a rubber band or needle and thread to hold it down. Use my brush to do a little touch up at the hair, and then I did my edges next. So what do you think of this hairstyle? Was it quick? Yes. Was it easy? Yes. Was it affordable? Yes. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.